Hey, it's Joe with Humanfluence. I'm excited to introduce to you my new book, Soulutions. This book explores who we truly are, eternal souls on a human journey, and offers insights to help you navigate life's challenges. Inside, I dive into ancient philosophies, world religions, and spiritual traditions that have shaped belief systems today. From Hermeticism to esoteric teachings and beyond. You'll learn about the role of synchronicities, intuition, and dreams, and how these universal experiences can guide your spiritual path. Soulutions also explores the deeper metaphysical principles, such as the collective unconscious and the laws of the universe, which impact our lives in profound ways. To help you on your path, I've included practical psychic exercises to hone your intuition, deepen your connection to the unseen world, and awaken your psychic abilities. Whether you're looking to break free from limiting beliefs, transform your life, or simply understand the bigger picture. Soulutions. Transforming your life through esoteric wisdom. Grab your copy on Amazon today. There's a link in my description, and I'll leave one in the comments. Humanfluence out.